Hello and welcome back to Bioinformatics series of videos on Explore Bio with Dr. Abhishek. A particular protein in different organisms has different sequences. One common way to search similar or homologous proteins is by performing BLAST homology search. I have made a complete tutorial on how to perform BLAST locally on your computer. Its link is provided in the description below. hmmER is a tool used to identify the proteins or conserve profiles of protein families based on protein sequence or alignments. With hmmER, you can use protein query or domain profiles to identify homologous proteins or conserve domains in a reference database. There are two modes to perform hmmER. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the online version of hmmER. In the web version, you see four options. The first is phmmer. Here, you can check the homology of a query protein sequence with entire protein database reference of your interest. Just copy a protein sequence to the search window. Next, select reference database. You can also restrict the result to a specific species of interest. Here, I have chosen Oryza sativa japonica. You can also change the e-value cutoff if needed. Click the Submit button. Here are the results. You can find homologous proteins in the database sorted based on their e-values. You can find more details about the target proteins by clicking here. It will take you to the UniProt site. Here, you can also download the protein sequence. The second search option is hmmscan. Here, you search your protein against the HMM profile in the database. Copy your protein sequence in the search box. Next, choose a suitable HMM database. Click Submit. The result shows PFAM family ID, clan, description about the protein, e-value and others. Results can also be downloaded in various formats. The third search option is hmmsearch. For this, you will need alignment file or HMM profile that will be matched against the protein database. This is an example of alignment. Let's see how to make alignment file for your own protein family of interest. Here I have several Arabidopsis proteins belonging to same protein family ACC synthase, which is of my interest. I will just copy these proteins and paste them in the clustal omega for multiple sequence alignment. Just remember to choose the output format Stockholm. Click on the Submit button. Download the alignment. Just select all the text and copy it to the new text file. You can change the extension to .sto. This will be required for local or standalone version of hmmER, which I will be covering in my next tutorial. But for now, you can even leave it as a text file. Copy the alignment from the file to the hmmsearch. Choose reference dataset and submit. Here are the results based on the protein alignment input. We got the best hit of proteins in Oriza Sativa database. You again need the protein alignment file for the fourth option, which is jackhmmer, which performs iterative search. You can see it will ask for iterating it multiple times. In the results, you can see 6 new results in the iteration 2. You can find more details by clicking on the results. In web-based search, the homology search is limited to a query and a few protein databases or HMM profiles. Another powerful way is to download and run it locally. Here you can choose any set of proteins or HMM profiles as your database or query. In my next video tutorial, in very easy way, I will explain how to download and install hmmscan and run it locally on Windows. The tutorial will be a complete guide to perform HMM search utilizing your own protein database. If you like the information, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay informed about my latest uploads. Do check out my videos on bioinformatics, techniques, research, publishing, plant tissue culture, markers, and lot more. Comment below for your queries and requests. Thanks and see you in my next video.